Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll see how to apply formula using conditional formatting in Excel. In this example, I have the data's list, I have the amount in B column, the cash received and the due amount. Now using conditional formatting, I need to apply a rule in such a way that if the amount and the cash received is equals, then automatically the color of the entire cell or the entire row has to be changed. For example, I have already applied conditional formatting in this case. Now in this case, in the first case, the amount due is 20,000. So if I update the cash received as 20,000 and then press enter, you can see that the color of the entire row has been changed. So in this case, I'll just give it as 60,000. You can see that the color has been changed. Instead of 50,000, 60,000, I'll just type it as 45,000. You can see that still the row is in red color itself, which means I have not received the entire payment. So in order to perform this, we'll just apply formula. So let's get started. So I have the same set of data in my other sheet. So what I'll do first, I'll highlight the entire cells in red fill color. So just select the range of data, and in this fill color option, I'll just apply red color stating that I haven't received the amount. Now in order to apply conditional formatting, just select the range of data and then from home, go with this conditional formatting option. In conditional formatting, go with this new rule. In new rule, you can see the last option which says use formula to determine which cells to format. Select that particular option and here is the space where you have to type the formula. Now for this particular function, I am making use of AND function. So I'll start off with equal sign and I'm making use of AND function. I'm making use of AND function because I have two criteria here. First criteria is my amount should be equal to cash received, and the second criteria is my entire row should get highlighted. So that is the reason I'm making use of this AND function, and then open brackets. And then again I am making use of if condition. Again open brackets. Now my condition is B3 should be equals to C3, comma 1, comma 0. I am giving it as 1 if this argument becomes true and 0 if that particular argument becomes false. Now close the brackets, comma, and my C column, that is C3 should be greater than 0 for this particular conditions to be satisfied. Now close the brackets. Now also make sure that you remove this referencing. You can see that the dollar sign has been inserted. Make sure that you delete it, or otherwise the particular condition will be applied to this particular row, that is third row itself. So I'm just removing the dollar sign, and then in this preview part you can apply any color that you need. So just go with this format option and go with this fill option. You can choose any color that you want. Suppose if you want this blue color, just go with this particular blue color. So once the amount and cash received becomes equal, this particular color will be applied, and then give OK. And then give OK. Now the formula has been applied. Now let's check if this works. I'll type it as 40,000 and then press enter. You can see that the color of the entire row has been changed. Similarly, I'll just give it as 80,000. You can see that the color of the entire row has been changed. So here it is 2,40,000. I just crossed it and it works. And that concludes this video. If you're watching my video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon so that you do not miss out on further updates.